Hello everyone, welcome to Maths New Vision Physics channel. In this video, we will solve very important question which was asked in NET 2014 exam from real analysis part B. Let's see the statement of this question. What the statement says: let p of x be a polynomial in the real variable of degree 5. Then limit of p of n upon 2 raised to power n when n tends to infinity is. Means here we have to find the value of this limit and we have given 4 options. Out of these 4 options only one option is correct. Let's solve the question. First, what we see here, what is p of n? P of n is a polynomial in real variable of degree 5. Then we can write this polynomial in general form as limit n tends to infinity a5 into n raised to power 5 plus a4 into n raised to power 4 plus a3 into n raised to power 3 plus a2 into n raised to power 2 a1 n plus a0 and 2 raised to power n. And in next step we take common n raised to power 5 from this expression. Then this expression becomes as and in next step we can write this as n raised to power 5 upon 2 raised to power n into limit n tends to infinity. This expression becomes as a5 plus a4 into 1 upon n for n a3 s, and limit of this expression will be a5. And what will be the limit of this expression when n tends to infinity? In the real analysis in sequence chapters we have seen a result. If a is greater than 0 and p is real, then limit n tends to infinity n raised to power p upon 1 plus a upon power n over power n is equal to 0. If you take n raised to power, if you take p is equal to 5 and a is equal to 1, then this expression becomes n raised to power 5 upon 2 raised to power n. Here we are taking p is equal to 5 and a is equal to 1. Then limit of this expression is equal to 0. After this calculation, what we have 0 value of limit, this limit. Therefore, C option is correct. Our question completes. Keep watching my videos. If you like this video, please subscribe.